Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So, tell me, have you all seen a golden egg? Yes. So, how would it look like? Will it look like shiny, bright, or heavy? How will it look? Yes, it would be so special, isn't it? Yes. So, what would you do if you had the golden egg? आप लोग क्या करोगे अगर आपके पास एक गोल्डन एग है? तो आप उस will you sell it? Will you keep it with yourself or will you share with someone? आप उसको रखोगे अपने पास या उसको बेचोगे या फिर किसी का शेयर करोगे? क्या करोगे आप? So today we are going to listen to a story where there was a farmer and a goose, and the goose would sell a golden egg every day. And let's see what the farmer does with the golden egg. Okay, so once upon a time there was a farmer and a goose, and the goose would sell a golden egg. And one day when the farmer saw the golden egg, he was very happy. Wow, golden egg! The goose had laid a golden egg. So he took the golden egg and went to the market to sell the egg. So he continued this every day. He sell many golden eggs every day, and he got richer. He got good money to live happily. But one day he thought that why I'm getting only one egg every day where I can get many eggs at once and sell and get more richer. So the farmer got greedy and he told that I will cut this goose and take out all the golden eggs. But is it right to do? No, we should not harm any animals, right? But the farmer got greedy because he wanted to get rich. So the farmer decided and told his wife that I'm going to cut this goose and get all the golden eggs. The wife told, no, don't do that, it's not good. But the farmer didn't listen to his wife. He got his knife and he cut the goose into half. But in shock, in surprise, the goose didn't have any golden eggs. The farmer got very sad. Oh no, this goose doesn't have any golden egg. What have I done? I should have not done this. I should have listened to my wife. Oh no, why did I do it? The farmer got really sad, and he from that day on, the farmer was not able to sell any golden eggs because he didn't have the goose who was laying the golden egg. The farmer got very sad and he lost his magical goose. So children, we should never get greedy. We should not say that I want more and more and more. But whatever you have, you should be happy with it and you should use it wisely.